Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. This is Sisang here and welcome to my channel The Traveling Soul. Well guys, today we are in a place called Coorg and we have a lot of exciting places to cover. Yesterday I couldn't vlog much because the entire day was travel and then we reached our hotel Le Coorg somewhere around in the evening at 7 o'clock. So there was nothing much to show. I'm gonna give you a room tour but that's for the later. First of all, we have a lot of sightseeing places to cover today. So we are leaving the hotel right away and without further ado, let's go. What's up guys? So we just reached Raja's Seat. So this is a place, I think it's a park and also a viewpoint. So we're gonna go check out the park and the viewpoint and I'm gonna show you around.
Had a truckload to drink. Now my brain's dead weight like that. Lost my keys, but don't give a shit. Cause tonight I can sleep when you sleep. From the gate up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so unreal. Na 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 na. You make me feel so unreal. Na 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 na. We can live the dream. We can be so unreal.
So guys, right now we have come to this local temple. It's a very quiet place here and I can't see even a single soul, so I'm just gonna go and shoot and let's check out the local temple.
Love is so insane like that. Want your lips on me.
So guys, the temple is closed. We couldn't find anyone to even ask and all the doors are locked. So, but anyways, we have just roamed around. Now we'll be moving on to our next destination and I think that's the Abbey waterfall. Not sure if I'm getting the name right, but yeah, I mean, let's go. So we just reached Abbey waterfall. We are on our way and I'm going to show you the waterfall in a bit. So the walk towards the fall is quite interesting because there are steps and also it's very well maintained in the sense like, you know, it's well fenced. So that's interesting and you can see the view, it's very nice.
Hear you say I can sleep when you sleep.
So you can see how interesting the way is towards the fall. So I'm not really sure how far we walk before we reach the falls. So yeah, so in the meantime probably what you can do is you can just enjoy the walk towards the falls.
From the gate up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on.
So guys, you can see we reached the waterfall. You can see the view behind me, how beautiful and huge this waterfall is. It's amazing. I mean, enjoy the view.
It's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so unreal. Na, 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 na.
So guys, right now we are heading back. It was an amazing experience, beautiful waterfall, and so now we'll be moving towards our next destination. I'm not really sure where exactly are we going. Our driver would be telling us that. And yeah, I mean, you can see the walk itself towards the waterfall is amazing.
Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me, but don't let me go.
So guys, no visit to Coorg is complete without a visit to one of the coffee plantations. So we are here in Pappy's Island and we are here for a coffee plantation tour.
And have you heard about bamboo shoots?
Correct, we eat
Yeah, for pickle, soups.
Correct. Yeah. So our place Arunachal has like bamboo shoot is one of the major ingredient we use for cooking. Yeah. So whenever we cook chicken or let's say even pork or any of
Anything.
the non-veg, we kind of put bamboo shoot there.
Yeah. And
So
here,
here also people eat bamboo shoot.
bamboo shoots, yes.
Oh, okay.
And you can find the bamboo shoots pickle as well
Oh,
on the stores.
Okay.
And there is a process for using that one.
Correct.
You have to put it in the water
Yeah,
for 1 or 2 days.
correct.
Then after only you can use.
Yeah, because in our place also what we do, we first cut the shoot and then we store it for some time. We let it get fermented,
Yeah,
and then it
fermented.
becomes little sour,
Sour.
and then we start
can
using
use
it. Yeah,
We have
correct.
to make like a potato slice.
Yeah,
We have to
small,
make
small.
that
Correct.
slice.
So guys, in the coffee plantation, I have seen that we also have a lot of bamboo plants, and so basically these bamboo plants are used here so that like it kind of keeps the soil in place, and it kind of provides the protection so that there's not much of soil erosion in the place.
Tonight it's me and you on top of it all. I am yours. Do what you want with me.
Wow.
In India and in Karnataka, there is two places for coffee. One is Coorg, one is Chikmagalur.
Chikmagalur as well. Yeah, correct.
Both.
CCD.
CCD, the owner has.
Correct.
There will be two variety of coffees. In CCD, that Chikmagalur, they grow more Arabica.
Okay.
There will be two variety. One is Arabica, one Robusta. That is Arabica plant.
This is Arabica.
Arabica already harvesting is done.
Okay.
Already plucked. This
Okay.
is Robusta one.
This
This-
is Robusta.
Robusta. How you can find means the tree. This is a small tree, small leaves. This is a big tree, big leaves.
Okay.
And the coffee will be Arabica oval shape.
Okay.
And this will be round shape,
Round shape.
almost round shape.
Okay.
So that's why we can identify the coffees.
So basically everywhere there are just two varieties of coffee. One
Three,
is
4 variety will be there.
Oh, sure.
But normally we grow more Arabica and Robusta.
here, like here in Coorg.
Here
Okay.
in Coorg.
Okay.
And mainly they divided into two, right? So because of the caffeine content.
Oh, okay. So one has got more caffeine content.
In that Arabica 1.5%
Okay. And in
Robusta,
Robusta,
will be 3.5%.
so Robusta has got more coffee
More
content.
coffee, caffeine content.
Yeah, the caffeine
So caffeine
content.
will give more energy.
Okay. Correct.
So like you feel like boozing, energy, alert,
Correct.
active.
Correct.
For that purpose, that caffeine content will do like
Okay,
that. In
okay.
chocolate also we can find the caffeine content.
Yeah, there is caffeine content.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So-
can you tell me the what's the basic procedure now? Now you see it's all red in color.
Red
So
in
now
color.
after this, what do you do?
So I will tell you the starting process.
Correct, huh.
That's how it start. Yeah, the lifetime will be like this will 35 to 40 years.
Okay.
This is 75 to 80 years.
Okay.
So normally we put the small plant
Okay.
from these seeds.
Okay.
So we'll take from the nursery, we plant. It will go 3-4 years to get fruits. So
3-4
while
years.
Yeah, this is the starting stage of the coffee.
Okay.
In this part we'll get the coffee.
Okay.
See here. Yeah, this is the starting process, flowering. So it's require water.
Okay.
So if we get rains, or else we'll put the pipeline. If water falls here, then the seeds flower will come.
Oh.
After flowering, white color flower will come. So that will smells like a jasmine. White is it will blossom like after full blossom, the flower color will be black, dry.
Okay.
So you can see the dry one.
Okay.
So then the seed will start, green seed, small one.
Okay.
So it will be like this much big, green.
Okay.
So after that it will turn red. This is the last stage of. So before turning black, we have to pluck. By hand only we have to pluck.
Okay.
So no machinery, nothing. We put the big plastic here. We just twist it here.
Okay.
Then the coffee will take all the coffee.
Okay.
So after plucking, we put it in the ground for the 10-15 days. Then the color will be black.
Okay.
So that is the last like a drying process.
Okay.
Then after drying, you can hear the sound. You can see here coffee. There will be 2 seeds inside.
Okay. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, 2 seeds.
Correct.
After drying, you can find like the skin will be black.
Okay.
So if you make you can hear the sound after
Okay.
drying it. Then
So then
the
you
final,
know.
yeah, the process will be finished. Like
Correct.
after drying process is done,
Correct.
then we'll put it in the machinery. We take out the skin.
Okay.
So skin is no use. Like we are again put it for the fertilizer.
Correct.
The 2 seeds will be there, right?
Okay.
We have to take out the seeds and we put it in the machine. We have to roast. Then
Roast.
the color will turn black.
Okay.
Then you will get the smell.
Okay.
So that is the roasting process. After
Okay.
we make a
Like
powder.
Powder out of
So
it.
that is the final product, coffee powder.
So out of this tree, like for example, how much of coffee do you get, like in terms of gram,
Like
milligram?
plant, how we maintain. This depends on that.
Okay.
In 1 acre, we count it like a not
Oh,
a plant.
okay, from an
From 1
acre.
Minimum 30
30.
bags, like a 50 kilos, 1
30
bag.
bags.
50 kilo is 1 bag.
Okay.
So like that, 30 is minimum, 30
Okay.
bags.
30 bags.
For 1 acre.
From 1 acre.
Maximum 40 can also.
Okay.
So 30 to 40
30
in
to
1
40
acre. 50 kilo bag. So
Okay.
40 means almost 20. 100 kilo bag, 120.
Okay.
bags.
And how much? So you do that, and then you give it to the companies.
Normal small traders will be
Small
there.
traders
they
will
make
buy.
a huge quantity, then they will sell like a ton.
Okay.
Because here people have half acre also, 50 acre also, 100 acre also.
Okay.
So they have small
Depending on-
planters.
correct.
They sell to some small traders. They sell to the companies.
Okay.
They export as well.
So do you think like coffee business is it's good for the future? Like how do you see the coffee business doing?
Yeah, it's okay. It's not like it's okay business.
Stable.
Stable one.
Okay.
It's depend on the market. It's like a gold price.
Okay.
Every day the market will be changing.
Changing. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Now the
Interesting.
labor is very costly. That's
Ah.
why we cannot maintain like in only the coffee we cannot survive. That's why we have to do other things.
Different alternate
Alternate
spices
business,
and stuff.
spices also. There
Correct,
pepper.
correct.
We have to take.
Yeah.
We have
So
to
you said
maintain.
you have 5-6 different spices here along with the coffee
yeah,
plant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do what you want with me, but don't let me go. You make me feel so unreal. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. You make me feel so unreal. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Hey guys, what's up? So we have come to this feel free homestay and it's got a beautiful location and I have the owner with me, Yashwan. Just say hi. So Yashwan will be taking us around this homestay and will show us beautiful views. So let's go.
Had a truckload to drink. Now my brain's dead weight like that. Lost my keys, but don't give a shit. 'Cause tonight I can sleep when you sleep. From the gate up the stairs, put the keys in the lock. Then we fall through your door. Leave the clothes on the floor. Tonight it's me and you on top.
So guys, I just wanted to say what a great day we have had today. I mean, yesterday when I reached Coorg, I couldn't have imagined that our next day would go so successful. I have to say that since morning we have been traveling and we have been visiting these different sightseeing places. I mean, just like we do in every other travel, But I couldn't have expected that the day would end like this. Right now I'm sitting in front of a bonfire. We are waiting for our dinner to be served at a local's house. Throughout the day we have had interaction with a lot of locals here and we got a peek into their lifestyle, into the challenges the youth face, like here in a place like Coorg. This is something that has always intrigued me as a person, and this is the reason why I travel. I mean, it's not just for looking at a beautiful place or getting those beautiful views and all these things. No, it's also to understand a place. What better way to understand a place than to interact with the locals there? I mean, they give you a peek into their life, into their lifestyle, into the challenges they face, into their aspirations, into their dreams and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, today was amazing. I couldn't have asked for a better way to end this day. So thank you so much, Coorg, and thank you to everyone who helped me create this experience today. So yeah, thank you so much.
Truckload to drink. Now my brain's dead weight like that. Lost my keys, but don't give a shit. 'Cause tonight I can sleep.
Pomeranian, right? Pomeranian, no?
You don't bite, right?
Nice.